TGIF, it's Friday. It's your girl Shynna, the financial fanatic, your real estate agent for life, you know, out here, right? And everything is going on. All the talk is about the government shutdown. Oh my goodness, my heart goes out to, everyone that is affected by it. I have some family members and friends that works for the government, and it's just heartfelt. I just couldn't even imagine. I'm here to say that if this is your clue, besides listening to me, my book, my lectures that I give about, always making sure you have another stream of income, multiple streams of income that I always talk about, let this be a sign. Make sure you always have a plan B. And I'm not talking about another man, another woman. That plan B should be another stream of income, okay? Another stream of income. Like I talk about in my book, Wealth is a Mindset. Each adult in each household should at least have at least two streams of income, okay? So now the government shut down. It's been like 3 weeks now. Let this be a sign. You can't rely on corporate America. You could be faithful to them for 30 years. It's people that have been working for the government 30 years plus. Shut down. They don't care. Where's their loyalty? You have to make sure you have your own backup plan in these cases. So therefore, a lot of people, I know it's hard to transition from, or start a business when you working your 9 to 5. But please believe me, put in that extra work. Just because you get off of work, you might be tired. Put in that extra hour or two every day or a few times a week to work on your own plan B, your own income, so you can have self-control over your income. So even for those who have thought of a business, started a business, but couldn't put too much time into it because you work a 9 to 5, now is the time that you can go ahead and jump all the way in, go harder. Don't think about, just think about the reason that you going so hard for your own stuff, for your own income. Think about the reason. If it's I'm tired of clocking in every day, if it's I have children, or I'm tired living check to check, it's uncomfortable for you, you can't travel, whatever it is, when you're tired and need a boost, just think about the reason why you're doing it. Think about the reason why you're going hard and making it happen and having a plan B. It's not easy. No one said it's easy. They said if it's too easy, you don't want it. You shouldn't want it. It's too easy. So go hard, plant your seeds. It would eventually pay off. The worst thing in life is not the feeling of not reaching your goal. It should be the feeling of not having no goals at all. So I'm out here, doing what I do, riding around, looking at properties. Real estate is like one of the 7 pillars of wealth. Wealth building. Can't never go wrong. In any type of business, investments, anything, you always have your ups and downs. You might have a flop, but you don't let that stop